In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a new to-do note. We'll use Joplin to set up a simple, reliable checklist you can update as you go. By the end, you'll know how to create a dedicated to-do note, add tasks with checkboxes, and mark them complete so you can stay organized without any fuss. First, open Joplin on your computer or mobile device. If you're on desktop, launch the app as usual. On mobile, just open the app from your home screen. Once you're in, choose where you want this list to live. Joplin organizes notes inside notebooks, so select an existing notebook that makes sense for your list, maybe something like personal, work, or errands. If you don't have one that fits, create a new notebook so your tasks stay grouped and easy to find later. Now create the actual to-do note. Instead of making a regular note, click New To Do. On Windows or Linux, you can press Ctrl plus T as a shortcut. On a Mac, press Command plus T. Using New To Do sets the note up for task tracking right away and keeps your checklist distinct from your regular notes. On mobile, look for the Add or Plus button and choose the To Do option. With your To Do note open, start adding tasks. Type each task name on its own line. Each task will have a checkbox next to it, so keep your task titles short, specific, and action-oriented. For example, you might write buy groceries, finish homework, or call a friend. If you like, order your list from most urgent to least or group related tasks together. Clear, simple task names help you scan and act quickly. As you work through your list, mark tasks as done by clicking the checkbox beside each one. The moment you check it off, the task will show as completed, so you can see your progress at a glance. If you check something by mistake, just click again to uncheck it. This makes the list flexible and forgiving as plans change throughout the day. A few quick tips to keep your checklist effective. Keep one to-do note per theme or project so you don't mix contexts. Review your list once a day to reorder or tidy it, and start each task with a verb for clarity. That's it. Open Joplin, pick or create a notebook, create a new to-do, add your tasks, and check them off as you complete them. You now have a tidy, focused to-do note that helps you stay on track.